Hello students, I Kamlesh Kumar. Welcome to all of you at my YouTube channel Social Science Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Anglo-Sikh Wars. This is the last topic of the chapter, the establishment of company rule in India. In the previous videos, we have talked about the Carnatic Wars, Anglo-Mysore War, conquest of Bengal, Anglo-Maratha Wars. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Anglo-Sikh Wars. So let us see the position of Sikhs. This is the Punjab region, Indian Punjab, and then before the independence of India, this Pakistani Punjab was also the part of the Punjab province, and this is the northwest frontier region of India. So in this region, the Sikhs were becoming more powerful, and Britishers wanted to check their positions. So let us see here that during the period between 1845 to 46, Sikh power was growing up in the northwest region of Punjab, that is this region, northwest region of Punjab. And what happened? The British made a peace treaty with Maharaja Ranjit Singh to check his growing power. This is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. He was the king of Sikh province. So the Britishers made a peace treaty with Maharaja Ranjit Singh to check his power. After his death, there was a lot of infighting amongst Sikhs. What happened? This Maharaja Ranjit Singh died in 1845, and just after his death, the Sikhs fought with each other for the position to become the prime minister of this Sikh province. The Sikhs had built up a strong army against British and Afghan aggressors. So Sikhs had already made a strong army to fight with these Afghans. This northwest frontier of Punjab province was sharing boundary with Afghanistan. So to check power of this Afghani and Britishers, this Sikhs made a huge and powerful army. When the British attacked the united forces of Punjab, Hindu, Muslim and Sikhs faced the huge British army bravely. So when Britishers attack on this region, Hindu, Muslim and Sikhs, all these religious communities united together to fight with Britishers, and they fought bravely. But Prime Minister Lal Singh and his commander Tej Singh turned traitors, and the Punjab army was defeated easily. So what happened? This Lal Singh was the then Prime Minister of Sikh community, and his commander Tej Singh, they turned traitor, and they traded with their community and supported Britishers. So Britishers defeated Sikhs easily in this war, that is the first Anglo-Sikh war in 1845-46. So they were forced to sign a treaty of Lahore. Means the Sikhs were forced to sign the treaty of Lahore. Lahore is today located in Pakistan. So the British occupied Jalandhar Doab. Jalandhar region was annexed by the Britishers, and Jammu Kashmir region was handed over. This Jammu Kashmir region was handed over to the King Gulab Singh Dogra. So the Britishers did this in the first Anglo-Sikh war. Now let us move to the second Anglo-Sikh war, which is the final annexation of major territory of India. The British wanted to complete control of Punjab by ending Sikh kingdom. What Britishers did, in previous videos we have seen that the Britishers had already conquered this Carnatic region through Anglo-Carnatic wars and Anglo-French rivalry, and they also captured this Bengal province. Then Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Bangladesh, this whole region was captured by the Britishers. Then they moved to Mysore. This was also captured. This is Maratha region. This was also captured, and this is the final turn to the Punjab. So what happened here? The Britishers wanted to keep here complete control, no interference of the local rulers. So they what did? The immediate cause of the war was the exile of Lal Singh. Case of Lal Singh on charges of conspiracy. Means Britishers charged this Lal Singh, who was a traitor in the first Anglo-Sikh war. He was charged with a conspiracy against Britishers, and Lord Dalhousie, the greatest annexator of the British time, he attacked Punjab and made it a part of British India in 1849. So in this in final exam or in periodic test, you can be asked that in which year this Punjab province was made the part of British India. So answer will be 1849. In 1849, this whole Punjab region went to Britishers from the hands of Indians. So this was the end of Punjab province. The British started consolidating their power by limiting the powers of Indian princes and building a strong army in India. So the task to annex, to capture India was over now, almost over now. They had captured almost all the parts of India, and now it was giving attention to consolidate their position in India. What the territories they have achieved, it was to be consolidated. So this is the Anglo-Sikh War. In the next video, we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Till then, keep watching. Thanks. Have a nice day. Thank you.